Start off by signing in to your AdSense account. You can do this by going to the Google AdSense website and entering your Google account information. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with the AdSense dashboard. This is your control panel where you can manage every aspect of your account and your ad units. Our next step is to familiarize ourselves with the AdSense dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the main navigation bar with options like Home, My Ads, Allow and Amp, Block Ads, Performance Reports, and Optimization. Each of these options serves a specific purpose in managing your ads and optimizing your revenue. Directly below the navigation bar, you'll see an overview of your account's performance, including your estimated earnings, page views, clicks, and more. This data can be customized to show specific date ranges, which can be really handy for tracking your progress over time. To the left of the screen, you'll find a sidebar with various account management options, such as account information, payment settings, and account settings. You'll also find helpful resources under the Help and Feedback sections. Remember, the AdSense dashboard is your command center for everything related to your ads, so take some time to explore it and get comfortable with its features. In the next scene, we'll dive into accessing and managing your ad units. Now that we've navigated the AdSense dashboard, it's time to ensure you're fully logged in with your Google credentials. On the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll find your Google account icon. Click on it to confirm that you're logged in with the correct Google account. If you're not, you'll need to log out and sign back in with the Google account that's linked to your AdSense. Remember, your AdSense is directly tied to your Google account, so it's essential to make sure you're using the right one. If you have multiple Google accounts, it's easy to mix them up, so always double check. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email or phone number associated with your account. After entering your email or phone number, click Next and then enter your password. Once you've entered your password, click Next again to log in. Now, you're all set to start accessing and managing your ad units. Now that we're logged in, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the management features of the AdSense dashboard. Hover over the Account option in the left sidebar. This will expand a sub-menu where you can manage your account details, personal information, and payment settings. You can also view and manage your sites, check your account status, and review your policy violations, if any. It's essential to keep these settings updated regularly to ensure smooth operations and payments. After you've reviewed your account settings, let's move on to accessing ad units. Remember, managing your account effectively is a crucial step in optimizing your ad revenue. In our journey through the AdSense dashboard, it's important to take a moment to understand how AdSense generates revenue for your content. As you navigate to the Ad submenu, keep in mind that each ad displayed on your site can generate income in two ways, either through impressions or clicks. Impressions are counted each time an ad is displayed on your site, while clicks are counted each time a viewer interacts with an ad. The more traffic your site generates, the higher the potential for both impressions and clicks, and subsequently revenue. This is why it's crucial to create engaging, quality content that attracts a steady stream of visitors. Remember, your earnings are directly tied to your audience's engagement with the ads on your site. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into ad units and how to create them effectively. Now, let's proceed to accessing ad units. As we transition from understanding how AdSense generates revenue, let's delve into the different types of AdSense ads you can utilize to optimize your earnings. AdSense offers a variety of ad types, each with its own unique features and benefits. Firstly, we have the display ads. These are the most common type of ads that appear on websites. They can be text, image, or rich media ads and can appear in various sizes. Next up, we have text ads. These are simple text-based advertisements that can be customized to match the look and feel of your site. Thirdly, link units are small text-based ads that display a list of topics relevant to the content of your site. When a user clicks on a topic, they are directed to a page of related advertisements. Fourthly, rich media ads are interactive ad formats that can include HTML, Flash, or video. Lastly, we have mobile ads. which are specifically designed for mobile devices. Understanding the different types of ads available to you is crucial in deciding which ones will best suit your site's content and audience. In the next scene, we'll walk you through accessing ad units. Now that we've explored the different types of AdSense ads, it's time to delve deeper into selecting the right ad format for your content. This is a vital step because the ad format you choose can significantly impact your revenue generation. Firstly, consider your website's layout and design. Some ad formats may blend in better with your site, providing a seamless experience for your users. For example, if your website has a lot of text content, text ads might be a better fit. Next, consider your website's traffic. If your website receives a lot of mobile traffic, it would be beneficial to use mobile ads. Thirdly, think about your audience's preferences. If your audience appreciates interactive content, rich media ads could be a great choice. Lastly, consider the nature of your content. If your content is about specific topics or products, link units could be effective as they display a list of topics relevant to your content. Remember, the key is to experiment with different ad formats and see what works best for your site. In the next scene, we'll take a look at how to access ad units. Before we proceed to accessing ad units, let's take a moment to understand the various settings and options you need to configure for your new ad unit. First, you'll need to provide a unique name for your ad unit. This name is purely for your identification and won't be visible to your site's visitors. Then, you'll choose the ad size. AdSense offers several size options, including responsive ads that automatically adjust to fit your page layout. Next, you'll need to select the ad type. As we discussed earlier, this could be text ads, display ads, or a mixture of both. You'll also have the option to customize the ad style, such as the font and colors, to match your website's aesthetic. If you're using text ads, you'll be able to write your own text for the ad. Finally, you'll set the default behavior for what happens when there are no ads to show. This could be collapsing the ad space, showing a blank space, or displaying a backup ad of your choosing. Remember, these settings are all about maximizing the effectiveness of your ads, so don't be afraid to experiment and adjust them as needed. In our next scene, we'll walk you through the steps to access these ad units. Now that we have a clear understanding of ad unit settings, let's dive into the specifics of selecting the type of ad and the size. Remember, this is a crucial step that can influence your revenue generation. First, click on the Ad Type option. Here, you'll see a list of different ad types such as text ads, display ads, or a mix of both. Take your time to understand the characteristics of each type and select the one that best fits your content and audience. Next, let's move on to the ad size. Click on the Ad Size option. You'll notice a range of size options, including responsive ads. Responsive ads are a great choice as they automatically adjust to fit your page layout, providing a seamless user experience. However, if you want to use a specific size, choose it from the list. Remember, these sizes can influence how visible and engaging the ad is, so choose wisely. In our next scene, we'll guide you on how to access these ad units you've just configured. Now, let's move on to customizing the appearance of your ad and specifying its location. This step is critical as it can significantly enhance user engagement and hence your ad revenue. Click on the Ad Style option to customize the look and feel of your ad. You can choose from a preset palette or create your own custom color scheme that aligns with your website's design. You can also choose the corner style for your ad, whether it's square or slightly rounded. Next, let's specify the ad location. This is where you decide where the ad will appear on your web page. Click on Placement and select the desired location. Remember, the ad placement can significantly impact revenue, so choose a spot that is visible and likely to engage your viewers but doesn't disturb the user experience. Play around with different looks and placements until you find the perfect mix that complements your content. In the next scene, we'll learn how to access these ad units that we've just customized and placed. Now that we've customized the appearance of our ad and specified its location, it's time to bring it to life. Locate the Create or Save button at the bottom of the page. This button is crucial as it creates the new ad unit with all the customizations and specifications we've just made. Click on it to finalize your settings and generate your new ad. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your ad unit has been successfully created. Take note of the ad unit ID as you will need it for future reference. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes. Now, let's move on to how we can access these newly created ad units. In the left sidebar, click on the Ads option to open a submenu with various ad-related options. From the submenu, click on Ad Units to go to the page where you can create and manage ad units. On the Ad Units page, you will see a list of existing ad units, if any. To create a new ad unit, click the plus New Ad Unit button, usually located at the top of the page. You will then be presented with several settings and options to configure for the new ad unit. Give the ad unit a descriptive name to help identify it later. Choose the type of ad, such as display ads, in-feed ads, in-article ads, matched content, and more. Select the ad size that best fits your website's layout and design. Customize the appearance of the ad, including the text and background colors, font, and borders. Specify where the ad unit should appear on your website or app. You can select a specific location or use responsive ads that adapt to different screen sizes. Depending on the ad type, you may have additional settings to configure. For example, if you're creating an in-feed ad, you'll need to specify the feed URL. After configuring the settings, click the Create or Save button to create the new ad unit. AdSense will generate a unique ad code for this unit. Copy the generated ad code provided by AdSense and paste it into the HTML of your website or app where the ads will appear. Make sure to choose the correct place to ensure proper ad display. If you're adding the ad code to a YouTube channel, follow YouTube's integration instructions. Before publishing the changes, it's a good practice to preview and test the ad unit to ensure it displays correctly on your site. Once the ad unit is live, you can monitor its performance, including ad clicks, impressions, and earnings from your AdSense dashboard.